Hi guys, I am back with another dip powder mani. So I have some new nail tips that I found on Amazon. These are by Tay. These are full cover matte texture extra or ultra thin full coverage soft gel nail tips, and the shape that I purchased is coffin. I don't know if they're new on Amazon, but they are new to me, and so I have my sizes picked out, and I'm going to be using two colors, two dip powder colors from the Azure Beauty dip powder kit that I featured on my channel last week. And I will also be using my Azure Beauty 2-in-1 dip liquids, full-size bottles that I purchased off of Amazon. And so with these nails, I will be applying a total of 3 layers of dip powder on the nails. First layer, I will not go all the way to the cuticle area. I will brush off excess, dip a second layer and go all the way to the cuticle area, brush off excess, apply another layer of dip base, and then I will apply a full third coat of dip powder on the nail. So just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So after I do that first nail, I'm going in with the second purple that was in the kit. This one is a little bit darker, and I'm going to repeat that process. I do not show all nails on camera, just a total of 3 nails, one with the light purple, one with the dark purple, and then for the third nail, I will be doing an ombre using my pipettes that I use. And so now with both colors, I put a pipette, threw that in there by accidentally dropped the nail. So I have a pipette in each one of the colors, and I have a cupcake liner here. So what I'm going to do is apply dip base in a thin layer over the entire nail. And so here I'm not doing, I'm going to take the purple, the dark purple, and just kind of sprinkle it over the nail, and then I'm going to repeat that and do that with the light purple, and then I'm going to repeat that process. And so it's real simple. Got powder all over my fingers, but that's okay. I brush off excess, and here we have it, a nice simple ombre. And so I'm going to repeat that again, and then I'm going to pick up some of the powder, because with the powder in the cupcake liner, it's kind of all blended together. I will take the powder with the, like, this is the brush that I'm using is actually an ombre brush from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉, and so I'm just going to pick the powder up with that brush and kind of put it in the middle of the nail, kind of to blend that out. Didn't really work well, but it works well enough. Okay, so here are all of the nails. I did encapsulate the ombre nail in Azure Beauty's clear that I purchased off of Amazon. I brush off excess powder from the nails, and then I'm going to apply activator, which will harden the dip powder in preparation for filing and buffing. And yes, I do file and buff the full coverage nail tips. I just take the nail file and go on the underside of the nail, and then I will buff the nail smooth. So here are the nails after filing and buffing, and so I decided to go in and do some nail stamping. So I have I was thinking of doing that full coverage and then using the little daisies stickers to go on top of that, but I end up not using those floral nail stickers. I was just trying to see what would look, if they would look best on top of which image, but I did not use these stickers after all. And so this plate is Flower Angel from 𝒊𝒔𝒉. I've had this plate for quite some time, and so I'm going in with a purple stamping polish, and this one is from Born Pretty, and I'm just going to place that on the stamping plate, scrape, pick it up, and place it on the middle nail with the ombre. So if you ever have an ombre nail that's not quite the way you want it to look, you can kind of cover up that with some type of foil, transparent foil, some nail stamping, or you can put some rhinestones on it. And so I thought this was really pretty, purple on purple, give that monochrome look. And so you can see at the cuticle area in the tip of the nail, it did not cover the nail in its entirety, so I'm just taking what was left on the stamper and filling in that space. And so after that, I was like, I still was trying to use those stickers, and I was like, I don't think I'm feeling it. Maybe if the nails were maybe white, that would work. And so I had these kind of holographic butterflies. I think these came from Azure Beauty or Daily Charm, I'm not 100% certain. And then I had some more kind of like transparent butterflies, and so I placed those on the nail and I didn't like it, so I ended up taking those off and then just using the butterflies on the stamping plate and stamping that on the nail. So I also had some purple striping tape, and I wanted to put something on that thumbnail, and so I'm just applying that 2 lines of the nail striping stickers on the nail, and then I think that's what I did with this thumbnail outside of some rhinestones. And so after I removed the butterfly stickers because I did not like it with the stamping, I removed those and decided to stamp in that same purple on that plate, and scraping and stamping butterflies on the nail. So after I got the nails stamped, I'm going to go in with Born Pretty 6-in-1 gel nail glue and apply that to the nails. And I have some AB rhinestones that I got off of Amazon, and I'm just placing a dot of that in the middle of the butterflies and placing the smallest of that collection of rhinestones in the middle. And then I will do some cuticle rhinestones as well, and then cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so here are the nails, and I'm going in with Luxie Nails 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 no wipe top coat and applying that to all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. What I did notice with the thumbnail, it kind of lost its shape towards the free edge of the nail just a little bit, but it was okay. And no, I did not put these nails on in this particular video. When I do put them on, I will upload them in a short just so you can see what they look like on the nail. So here are the finished nails. I thought they were really pretty, perfect for spring. So please like this video if you found value, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free 99. So I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.